Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 28th of March, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of March, 2025, our system has classified Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.02. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently situated at the upper end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a significant selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back towards the lower portion of the trend is anticipated, a breakout above the upper trend line at $277.77 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 42.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 62.24% and negative 39.65%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 68.81%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 48.85% to 245.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $392.29 and $911.53. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Tesla Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Tesla stock price decreased by 3.51% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 28th of March, 2025, dropping from $273.13 to $263.55. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.95%. reaching a low of $260.59 and a high of $276.10. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 5.43% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 37 million shares, with a total of 122 million shares exchanged for approximately $32.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest was $138.80. Currently, the price is 46.05% or $224.99, below the 52-week high of $488.54. which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is facing mixed currents as we approach the end of March 2025. Notably, shares have dipped by approximately 3.4% due to disappointing inflation data and the lowered price target from an analyst. This decline reflects broader market struggles and could signal increased volatility in the near term. Meanwhile, the automotive sector is seeing an impact from proposed auto tariffs, which might inadvertently benefit Tesla, as these tariffs are less likely to affect domestic electric vehicle manufacturers compared to imported brands. On a competitive front, Lucid's interim CEO revealed that 50% of their orders come from former Tesla customers, underscoring significant competitive pressure on Tesla. Despite this, investors appear undeterred. Some are continuing to buy Tesla stock, even as political tensions surrounding Elon Musk escalate, indicating a separation between the company and Musk's personal controversies. Further, A Wall Street analyst has given a bullish outlook with a price target of $404, suggesting there's still optimism for Tesla's recovery this year. However, activist movements are predicting protests against Musk, potentially adding to the stock's challenges. Overall, these factors contribute to a complex short-term landscape for Tesla, while presenting longer-term investment opportunities as the market unfolds. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned TSLA a reduce rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned TSLA a mixed rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that GLJ Research assigned TSLA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned TSLA a buy rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Tesla stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $265.75 and $288.79. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on the 10th of March, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 18.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 34 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with significant accumulated volume at $248.09 and $230.58. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If that level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In Tesla's case, if the support at $248.09 fails, the next point of support from accumulated volume will be at $230.58 and $222.15. The stock is subject to considerable daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests it carries a high-risk designation. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $15.51 between its highest and lowest points, translating to a change of 5.95%. Throughout the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.03%. Asterisk. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with enormous market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 53 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $273.13. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $248.09. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by James Murdoch, who bought and sold 1,183,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.328. In total, insiders acquired 883,105 shares and disposed of 1,328,597 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $253.69, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, a buying signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 14 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate more shares in the current position while we await further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing the conclusion from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 31st of March, we anticipate that Tesla will open higher by approximately $3.20, starting trading at $266.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.